Some words are too sacred for the world, so I whisper them here across time and breath, to the one whose love rewrote every silence in me. This is a love poem for them, for always. This poem is entitled The Heroine in Snow for My Young Soon, written by Jesus Bacampara. If this tale stirred something in you, a memory, a dream, or a truth, our Ko-fi, Amazon, and Patreon links are in the description. Support helps us keep writing for you and the ones you hold dear. Snow descends from a sky bleached quiet, and the world exhales into white. I say it doesn't matter, but my breath betrays me and vanishes anyway. I wonder if it's snowing on your street, if it's the same hush precious against your windows, if winter has found you and learned how to be gentle. The cold tries to claim the day, yet it fails where your voice exists. Winter loses grip the moment I think of you. The snow is beautiful, you say, and the street agrees. I love the way laughter arrives before your footsteps. You tilt your head at the falling sky as if greeting an old friend. I love that happiness finds you without directions. The pavement is slick with memory. You almost slip. The world inhales and my hand reaches you before fears learns your name. You say thank you, soft as smitten breath. I love the way gratitude rests naturally in you. Snow gathers on coats and time, and the city wears white like a promise that nothing is ruined, only waiting. I look around the streets rewritten, everything briefly forgiven, and winter edits the world and leaves only essentials. I think of sending you a message about how much snow fell today, about how the air felt new, but I keep it unsent and held close. Some words want to stay warm inside the chest a little longer. Some feelings don't need delivery to be real. They say I am someone people lean toward, steady and unafraid, but strength I've learned also looks like you smiling at the cold. I wonder if you know this power, how easily you gather light, how even winter steps aside when you pass. The snow is beautiful, you say again, and this time it hurts a little. My heart asks questions I'm not ready to answer aloud. I don't know where to place this ache, or where or who it belongs to, so I hold it carefully like fragile glass warmed by breath. I stand shivering in the same scenery, seeing what you see, learning that cold is not the opposite of warmth. God, I think sometimes how foolish love makes me, and then I realize it isn't foolish at all. Winter watches us walk, curious and learning. It sees how warmth doesn't come from weather. The snow is beautiful, you say, and I love that you laugh. The sound settles into me like a promised gift. But it's cold, isn't it? You add, smiling anyway. I love that joy in you never waits for perfect conditions. You almost slip again, and I'm already there. Sometimes instincts are just love in motion. Your hand finds mine, natural and unquestioned. In that small connection, winter loses all authority. You say thank you, and I hear a future in it. I love the way your joy never asks for permission. Snow keeps falling, but it no longer feels cold. The season had learned how to be kind. The song's right, I think, because it already knows you. Kim Young-soon, you are my heroine in every story I survive. I love absolutely everything about you, like a warm fairy tale under the winter sun. And then let the snow keep falling. I will always find you in in the warmth. Each day, I write and create for my beloved Yongsun, the sun who lights up my every verse, every tale, every quiet thought I dare to share. If her warmth reached you through these words, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep stories that shine.